So what exactly is on my face right now that's making it feel so tight?
Zombie apocalypse, is it starting on my face?
Wow. It's the zombie mask. Ooh. This thing has been going viral. Everyone's talking about it. Supposedly it can tackle 8 skincare concerns in 15 minutes, and people are saying that you'll see immediate results. So naturally, I wanted to put it to the test and try it out on camera. So here's our before. Let's open the box as well. Now I actually got the zombie pack, and I got the witch one, and I got the mummy one. So super excited to try those two. I'll do those in another video, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel so that you can see those as well. All right, so this is what comes in the zombie one. So you're gonna get this little box here. This is our activator and brush. And then we're gonna get these little pods. We have 8 of these, 8 pods. Zombie activator. There's our activator. Here's our brush and our powder. So it's a little bit detailed. Opening the powder and the activator, we're gonna mix it with the brush. So I'm gonna pop one of these off. I'm gonna open it. Let's have some powder in there. It does smell nice. And then we have our little brush here, which I'm gonna have to hang on to use for other ones. Nice soft brush right there. Got our powder, and then we're gonna take our activator and we're gonna pour this into this and mix. So as you can see, the activator is a liquid, and I'm just gonna slowly mix it up here. Not the easiest thing to mix with this brush, but I'm doing it. It's kind of getting, I don't know why, but I keep thinking of like scrambling eggs. It's got like just a weird consistency to it. To apply it evenly all over except for your eyes and your mouth. And then you're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes. So here we go, let's paint. I still have quite a bit left, so I think I need to apply it a little thicker. Down to the last bits here. While I have it tightening without moving my lips too much, I'll tell you a little bit about the 8 things it can help with skincare. So number 1, reduce wrinkles. Yes, I'm here for that. Number 2, it's gonna tighten and lift your skin. Always good as well. If you have acne prone skin, it's supposed to be really good for that and for breakouts. And then it's gonna tighten enlarged pores. Deeply hydrate your skin. Improve your skin texture by removing any dead skin cells. Balance the skin's pH level. And lastly, brighten the complexion. So what exactly is on my face right now that's making it feel so tight? Some ingredients like egg whites, aloe vera, and botanicals, and it is feeling tighter and tighter. Now I set a timer for about 15 minutes and I will be back. I can already immediately feel it tightening on me, so I'm gonna let it do its thing.
The zombie apocalypse, is it starting on my face?
Okay, it's getting tight. Very limited amount of movement on my face, but when you do make a big movement, watch the cracking. Oh, actually it kind of hurts too. Don't make big movements, you'll get these crazy cracks on it, but it's all just drying. I'm almost there, almost done. And then I'll be removing it. Look at that, I can't even move my forehead. Barely able to move anything there. It's so weird. Okay, time is up, and actually it's kind of cool to feel how tight it gets on your skin and to have those little crackings happen. Now you're gonna wash it with water. I did a damp towel. This might not be enough. I think I need to go really soak my face with water. I'll be right back. Here's the after, and I'm seriously impressed. That shine, I don't feel like it just like wipes away wrinkles. Now, I do get Botox up there, but I just feel like it just makes it so good and smooth. Whole face feels very tight, very shiny. Now it did say you could get some redness, and I do see a little bit of redness, and to calm that with just your favorite serum or your favorite moisturizer. So I will definitely be following up with that. But wow, my skin feels so tight and so smooth. Now getting it off required a lot of water. I do feel like I have some still in my hair, so it is a little bit of a process to get it off of you. It wasn't as simple as just having a damp towel. I had to really get my face completely saturated, but you do see instant results. So I'm very impressed with that. I love that you have multiple ones in this kit, so you can do it again and again. It's suggested to do it 1 to 2 times a week, and I bet you will see such good results with your skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried these, let me know what you think in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to do the witch pack and the mommy ones coming up soon as well. But so far, I can say the zombie ones, these work really well.